The plastic then goes to the sheet die, where it spreads out. The plastic traveling to the far ends of the die loses pressure. If not corrected, this plastic would flow more slowly out of the die lips, and the sheet would not have a uniform thickness or uniform properties. Adjustment bolts on the die are used to correct for this pressure difference. The thickness of the die gap controls thickness of the plastic that leaves the die. The extruder pressure controls the flow rate out of the die. The plastic then goes to the roll stack. The roll stack consists of precision-made steel water-cooled drums called chill rolls. In this three-roll stack, the gap between the first two rolls sets the final sheet thickness. Then, the sheet winds around the second roll and then around the third roll, cooling both sides of the plastic sheet. The plastic is further cooled by air as it is pulled by a takeaway unit, past a trim station where the sheet is trimmed to the proper width. After the takeaway unit, the sheet is wound into a roll at the wind-up station. The roll of sheet is now the raw material for thermoforming. If the sheet is made to specifications under controlled conditions, it should run without problems. Sheet properties will vary if there are changes in 1. The plastic output from the extruder, 2. The die gap, 3. The roll stack gap, 4. The speed of the rolls, and 5. The plastic cooling rate.